Good morning, students. Today's topic is electrolysis. Electrolysis is the process of decomposition of an electrolyte when an electric current is passed through its aqueous solution or molten state. The process of electrolysis that was first observed by Faraday. So Faraday gave the laws of electrolysis. Faraday first law of electrolysis. It states that the amount of any substance deposited at any electrode is directly proportional to the amount of electricity passed in coulombs. Means W is the amount of substance that is directly proportional to the amount of electricity, that is Q. Q is equal to I into T. I is the current, T is the time. So W is proportional to I into में T. W is equal to ZIT, where Z is the electrochemical equivalent. ECE, electrochemical equivalence. How it is defined? How it is defined, the electrochemical equivalence, ECE. If suppose I is equal to 1 ampere and T is equal to 1 second, then W is equal to Z. It means the amount of substance deposited by passing 1 ampere current for 1 second through the electrolyte. This is called as electrochemical equivalence. Now, how will you define the Faraday? 1 Faraday is equal to quantity of electricity carried by 1 mole of electrons. It means 1 Faraday is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 multiply. This is the 1 mole. Multiply, what is the charge of electrons? 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. After multiplying, this will come 96500 coulomb. Means 1 Faraday is equal to 96500 coulomb. Now Z is equal to E by 96500 gram. E is the equivalent mass. Equivalent mass is equal to atomic mass divided by valency. Z is the ECE. After putting this value, we can easily find out the electrochemical equivalence. Now the next is equivalent mass, that is defined as the mass of an element deposited by passing 96500 coulomb of charge. Now the next topic is the Faraday's second law of electrolysis. When the same quantity of electricity is passed through the different electrolyte, then the amount of different substance deposited at the electrode is directly proportional to their equivalent masses. Means W is directly proportional to E. Here different electrolytes are taken, but the electricity is same in the second law of Faraday electrolysis. W1 divided by W2 is equal to E1 divided by E2. E is the equivalent mass, that is equal to atomic mass divided by valency. So this is the formula of second law of electrolysis. Now take some numerical problems. The charge required to liberate 11.5 gram of sodium means sodium plus ions. After gaining 1 electrons, it will form sodium. 1 mole means 23 gram of sodium require 1 Faraday. 11.5 gram will require 1 by 23 into 11.5, that is 0.5.